What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn on Canva how to start with this image and turn into that image, okay? A more fancy and stylish way of present your photo, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your Canva and upload your picture, okay? Just like this, okay? No need to apply the picture as the background. You can just move it like this, okay? And make sure it's aligned. Then review the left sidebar of menus and go to Elements. Once on Elements, right here we're gonna search for Polaroid frame. And I want this graphic right here. You can align maybe just like this. I think like this is okay. Then I'm gonna duplicate the image, so I'm gonna click into the image, click with the right button of my mouse over the image and click on duplicate. Let's drop it from the side, click on the image again, and from the bottoms we're gonna click and hold. Now on the left, on the right, on the bottom, just like this, okay? After this, move the second image above it, make sure it's properly aligned as well. Click on background remover, just like this. Then you're gonna click into the bottom and move it up just like this. Now, click into the background and change the color to the main color of the image, this red. And here is the final result. Nice, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!